Fishing with Phil.
My dad, he's 80 years old from Malaysia. We're going fishing, okay? Fishing with Phil Friedman. Yeah, from overseas, alright? Catch some big one.
Hey, Phil, you guys have fun.
If you know what I mean. It's not easy being green.
On there. Come on, you were Philip. But what is your name? Philip Friedman, Jr. Get him, Jimmy, get him! Oh! Go! Look, it's back up. It's back up, it's back up. All right. Oh!
We can't guarantee the fish are going to bite on every single Fishing with Phil trip, but we can guarantee some really great times. Wow, what a bunch of great folks. And man, did the fishing turn on Saturday night on this great Fishing with Phil trip on board the Native Son. Every single Friday and Saturday night we'll be out doing it, 6:30 to midnight. It was just spectacular. Lots of giant sculpin, big bass, and really fun times out there. As you can see, those pink and green lead heads really, really worked well. And the sand bass were biting on the fresh dead squid. There's more of that starting to show up in the local environment along with the sculpin. About a 2-ounce banana lead head, and you were on. And man, there were some sacks full of fillets going home. Can't wait till this weekend, Friday, Saturday night. Hope you're going to join us. Lots of fun.
Fishing with Phil!
Yeah! That's how it's done.
Yeah! Right here!
It was Gucci.
Combo fishing by my wife.